Hello guys, good morning. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along. We're gonna do like a little day in my life of getting my life together before school starts. Thank you so much to Amazon for sponsoring today's video. That's really cool to be able to say that. Whew, we got a lot to do before school starts. When you're actually in school, you don't have time to do all the little tiny things to get organized that you really need to get done. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna organize my room, we're gonna clean my room, and there's some places in the apartment that I never even really organized. So that's what we're gonna do today. My air conditioner is on right now because it's a million degrees outside. So I apologize if it's complicated to hear me. I also love putting you guys on the shelf. It's the perfect height. It's time for some mango lemonade. Ah, so sealed. There we go. Okay, all right, back to the room. We gotta make a to-do list. Right now I'm alone in the apartment because Taylor's not here, but I feel a little less alone because my gal Alexa's here. It's just her and I. Alexa, do you like being my friend?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Okay, sis. Well, I like being her friend, so. I forgot my tripod at home and now I'm putting you guys in this plant. You have no idea. Wait, I gotta take a picture of this. That is just so funny. Alexa, make a to-do list.
What can I add for you?
Add clean my room, organize school supplies, and clean kitchen cabinets to my to-do list.
I have added clean my room, organize school supplies, and clean kitchen cabinets to your to-do list.
Also add clean laundry room to my to-do list.
I've put clean laundry room on your to-do list.
Alexa, thanks.
You're welcome.
I love her. Okay, so we're gonna get started on this to-do list. And the thing that I really don't want to do the most is clean laundry room. That's the biggest task. Let's do it. So this is our laundry room slash storage room. And at the moment, it has a ton of stuff in it. This has been on my mind for a while. So I'm gonna take everything out of the laundry room and then start going through and organizing everything. If I can get this laundry room organized, I'm telling you, I will feel so much better. This needs to get done. Let's do that. Step number 1 to cleaning and tackling a task you don't wanna do. Turn on your favorite music. That's what you gotta do. Alexa, play my motivation playlist. Ooh. These are all my toys. Ah! This is like my toy bin slash all of our seasonal decorations, and I think I need to just put the seasonal decor in a bin. Why am I struggling so badly right now? Okay. And then I also have the Christmas tree. So let's hope this fits in here. Oh wait, can I like fold this up? No, it really doesn't want to do that. That's fine, it'll squish down there eventually. We have all of our gift wrap. Alexa, turn down music. Thank you. It was like so loud. Really, I have to get nitty gritty about these bins. These two are really organized because they just have cleaning supplies, but then the bottom two, like this one just has random stuff I threw in. And then this is supposed to be all of our like little instructions and things to fix things, but it's such a mess in there, so I gotta clean that. I don't even know really what's in there. Now we just gotta put it all back in an organized fashion. This is already so much better. I'm so excited. You can give whatever that. Okay, are you guys ready for the after? It looks so much better. Things are clean, things are put away, they're tidy, it's fantastic. I put this little crate up here to hold all of our paper and stuff. We have all of our craft supplies here, and then paper towels here. Cleaning supplies didn't really change, but then this drawer is so much better. It's just all decor now, and then this is the biggest change. Everything is organized here in plastic bags. My instructions are building manuals, and then I have extra parts and a bunch of hooks. I finally cleared the January calendar, and it was actually really hard because obviously that stuff was on for like 6 months. It's all clean and ready for the new school year. I feel so accomplished. I think I'm gonna do my laundry right now. Alexa, cross off clean laundry room from my to-do list.
I checked off clean laundry room from to-do.
You guys are going back in the plant. I'm sorry, but it works. Does anyone else love doing their laundry? Because I do. There's something about it that's so satisfying. I've been doing my laundry since I was 8 years old. Comment down below when you guys started doing your laundry. I'm very curious. All right, Alexa, set a timer for an hour for my laundry.
My laundry timer, 1 hour.
I think for the next hour, I'm going to organize some of my school supplies and things like that. I have a box of stuff that I brought from home that I need to organize in my school supplies drawer. So I keep a bunch of my school stuff in here, but it's really just like books and old stuff that I could probably go through. I also keep a bunch of my school stuff in this giant drawer. Guys, it is so hot in Eugene right now. I can't. Okay, we need a laundry room run. Alexa, play motivation playlist. Okay. This is stressing me out just looking at this, thinking about how much work I did last year in school. I saved pretty much all of my information, especially stuff from anatomy and physiology, because obviously I'm gonna see it again. Where does lab 6 go? Leg, ankle, foot. Oh, here we go. I like to try to keep it all organized and in order. And I found a loose lab structure list. This stuff's kind of important. I need like a folder or something. Oh, this is some good stuff that I'm finding here. Textbooks are gonna go in a pile. I never even used that textbook. That's what's disappointing to me. What are you? Trash. Recycle, don't worry.
How could you say this every time? This is the new world, you told me lightly.
Alexa, what else is on my to-do list?
You have 6 items on your to-do list. Here are the 5 most recent.
Alexa, cross off organized school supplies from my to-do list.
I've checked off organized school supplies from to-do.
Alexa, remind me to dust my bedroom. I always forget to do that. Remind me in half an hour.
Okay.
So last time I did a clean with me video, you guys mentioned that my actual cabinets were not being cleaned. I will agree, some of the cabinets are a little dirty. It's kitchen cleaning time.
Get away, where I can be myself, for better or for.
Guys, look what Kylie got me when she was in Hawaii. It's for our charcuterie platters. I'm so excited. You can put like little nuts or apricots and stuff in it. I love her. She's so cute. Just gonna do like a little spot treatment.
Where I can be myself, where I can be myself.
Alexa, cross off clean kitchen cabinets from my to-do list.
Wash kitchen cupboards from to-do. Here, my laundry timer is done.
Time to rotate the laundry. It's always very smart to put a timer on all of your clothes because sometimes I forget that I'm literally in the middle of doing my own laundry. I come back and I realize my clothes have been sitting in the laundry for hours. Not fun if you've done that. Too hot with my hair down. It needs to go into a pony. Oh yeah, we're back. What is this ponytail? One sec.
This is a reminder. Just my bedroom.
And I was about to take a nap. Honestly, I probably should just keep going. Because literally as soon as you sit down, then you lose all motivation to get up again. This window seal is so dirty. You guys need water. Poor little guy. That's so satisfying. Okay, this is gonna make me want to dust everything now. Let's get the succulents some water, the poor guys. Here we go. So I've decided to have a little snack. Got hummus and carrots, and I'm just gonna watch YouTube for a little bit. And I'm just waiting for my laundry to get done anyway, so I might as well take a little bit of a break. Guys, I've been sitting here for so long. I don't even know what time it is right now. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:39 p.m. Have a good afternoon.
Oh yeah, she done. Boom. I really want to cook something when I'm in Eugene I'm so like in the cooking mood. Maybe I'll like look up a new recipe. That could be fun. Okay, so good news. I found a recipe that I want to try. It's one of those 5 ingredient recipes where you can just buy 5 things and bam, you got a meal. We're gonna make zucchini tortellini. Hopefully it's good and hopefully I have some more for tomorrow. The food has been secured. It is now time to commence Operation Cooking. The recipe calls for a lemon. Basil is optional because remember this is like supposed to be a 5 ingredient thing. So the 5 ingredients are supposed to be lemon, zucchini, garlic, tortellini. Maybe this, maybe that is the 5th ingredient. Who knows? Ella and I cooked last night and we used an onion and mushrooms, so I bought these. Oh, I know what the 5th ingredient was supposed to be. It's peas, but I already have peas. Alexa, play music. It's so cool that she can hear me from the kitchen. Look what Elle made for dinner. I was gonna say lunch. It's like a Greek salad thing.
Years down the road, I still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, lines about midnight.
Dinner is served. I'm really excited, so I'm gonna eat this. I meal prepped because I have a whole nother dinner, so yeah, tomorrow I'll probably just have the same thing. I literally demolished this. It was amazing. As you guys can see, the sun is going down and the day just flew by. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I also want to give another huge shout out to Amazon for sponsoring it. It's been so great to work with a company that I'm really excited to talk about. If you guys want to learn more about Alexa and get her to help you guys out, she's genuinely so fun to have around. Be sure to check out the link in the description box. I'm gonna put it down below so you guys can check it out. Good luck getting ready for school, or if you're already in school, I hope you guys are being really productive, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every